This question says, what are the approximate and exact value of 2.53 multiplied by 14.37 and then 3 whole number 1 over 4 multiplied by 2 whole number 3 over 5. First, let's find the approximate value. So, solution. Approximate value. Now, for A, first we have 2.53. If we approximate this number, we see that it is closer to 3 than it is to 2, so it is approximately 3. And then we multiply that by 14.37. It is closer to 14 than it is to 15, so we have 14. And what's the value of 3 multiplied by 14? That will give us 42. Now, B. We have 3 whole number 1 over 4. 1 over 4 means we are closer to 3 than we are to 4. 3 1/4. So it's closer to 3. So we would have it approximately 3 multiplied by 2 whole number 3 over 5. And this one is closer to 3 than it is to 2. So we'll have it as 3. So 3 multiplied by 3 gives us 9. Now let's see what the exact values are. So for A, we have 2.53 multiplied by 14.37. Now let's multiply. First we start with 7. 7 times 3 is 21. So 1 carry the 2. 7 times 5 is 35. Plus 2, that is 37. So 7 carry the 3. Now 7 times 2 would give us 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. So 17, since there's no other number to multiply it by, so we have it as 17 here. Now we go to 3. 3 times 3, 9. Observe I skip one step, so it means whatever goes here is 0. So 3 times 5 is 15. 5 carry 1. Now 3 times 2 is 10. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Alright, so now we go to 4. 4 times 3 would give us 12. So 2 carry 1. All these ones become 0. Now 4 times 5 is 20. Plus the one that we've carried is 21. So 1 carry 2. Now 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 2 and we have 10. Now we go to the final digit, which is 1. So 1 times 3 and we have 3. All these other digits become 0. Now 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 2 and we have 2. So when we add all of this together, what do we have? This is 1. 7 plus 9 is 16. So 6 carry 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. Plus 5 and we have 13. 13 plus 2 and that's 15 plus 0, so 15. 5 carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 7 is 9 plus 1 is 10 plus 3 and we have 13, so 3 carry 1. So 1 plus 0 plus 5 and we have 6 and 1 plus 2 and we have 3. So, because we have 2 decimal places multiplying to each other, we increase the decimal place by 2 also. So, that is we have 4 decimal places. Our decimal points will be here. So, our answer is 36.3561. And if you compare with 42, you see it's not far off. Now, for B, we have 3 whole number 1 over 4 multiplied by 2 whole number 3 over 5. So we first convert this into improper fraction. So we have 4 times 3 to give us 12. 12 plus 1 and we have 13. So 13 over 4 multiplied by 5 times 2 is 10 plus 3 and we have 13. So 13 over 5. Now in multiplication of fraction, we multiply straight, numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So we would have 13 multiplied by 13 to give us 169. over. Now 4 times 5 would give us 20. Now if we consider how many times 20 we go in 169, we'll see it is 8. Because 8 times 20 will give us 160, giving us a remainder of 9. So 8 whole number 9/20, which is not far away from 9, which we got in the approximate value. And that's the solution to this problem. Thank you.